we are touring the Spam Museum in Austin, Minnesota. Stay tuned because you do not want to miss out on all this excitement.
Alright guys, we are officially inside the Spam Museum. It's his birthday. Got some Lilo and Stitch.
Stitch cans.
Lilo and Stitch Spam. But we are going to check things out. Guys, what is your favorite kind of Spam? Alright guys, so Hormel chili. He's a chili dog, and Taryn just pointed out this was a prop for the Super Bowl commercial. All right, try it. Pull. You would not have been much help. All right, we're in Spam around the world. So Hawaii is big for Spam. They consume more Spam than any other state, so 8 million cans a year. Spam products are even sold in McDonald's and Burger King, guys. So Spam is legit. So Hawaii Spam is where it's at, guys.
And now we let the puppy
Show you what they do with it. Some of y'all say no to Spam, you say yes to Spam in Hawaii. We're gonna head over to China. Spam came to China in 2009. So different Spam in China. Guys, Spam is all over the world. Get yourself some Spam. Spam in South Korea. So they show you how everybody cooks it everywhere.
Oh, they have fried rice.
Yeah, they do Spam fried rice in Korea.
Maybe we should do a Spam giveaway.
A Spam giveaway?
Comment down below if you want a Spam giveaway. By the time you see this video, we're not going to have it. So.
Right, so we'd have to buy it ahead of time. But yes, we're gonna consider that. So the Philippines, kids are playing games. Out in Japan, how do they do Spam?
They make like
Spam sushi, it looks like.
yeah. I want to try that. That looks good.
Oh, some avocado Spam and eggs.
And that looks good too. It's like peas or asparagus. And they make like little kids ones.
Yes, so we are cruising around the world for Spam. So we're going to the Flying Pig. So we've made it to the UK. I wonder if John Held eats Spam. He's over in the UK. Let us know, John. Do you eat Spam? What's that? What is it? Oh, you're gonna launch some Spam. So Ainsley is.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, fork flying.
So you like try and get the Spam.
I'm gonna try to get the Spam out. So yes, would you play? It's like Angry Birds for Spam.
How do I go back? trying to explain. I don't get this. It needs to have an instruction.
Oh, there it goes back. All right, we're gonna try one more. Oh, knocking them all down. Big win.
Oh, that's like the casino for kids.
That's Spam-tastic. All right, the kids at the Spam Shack. Smile. Do a crazy pose.
Be funny. Laugh.
Oh my god.
I don't know how much more spam I can take. I mean, Jim, and he's the camp history buff. Jim says we've got it good. He says back in World War I, it's mostly dry biscuit, or else nothing at all. So, we're grateful to have spam. It's not steak, but it's good meat, fills you up. Lord knows there's plenty of it. And I guess that's the problem, too. There's just too much of it. I used to eat spam back home before the war maybe once every week or two, but here it's every day, 2 or 3 times a day. It's in the camp chow, it's in the field rations. You can't avoid it. I even heard that Ike is getting tired of finding spam in his mess tin.
Put it in the oven. Put it in the oven. Push the button. Wait till it says it's done. It's done. Get it out. Put the label on. Put the label on. Oh. Hold on here. That'll help you. Ready?
All right, start on the next one.
All right. It's 1 is all we're doing. All right. Put it down.
We made 6 of them.
All right, you're gonna make all of them?
7 seconds.
Let's see how long it takes you to make all of them.
It took us 57 seconds to make all
Oh, she's doing good. All right, you stick it in the oven then, and my dad will take it out of the oven. Turn it on. Get another one going. Get another one going. Oh, the oven's done.
Ooh, we're tag teaming.
This is not as easy as it looks, guys.
Keep going, Kevlin.
Start that oven. This might be the hardest part. Oh, get him out.
Are you gonna start over again?
Whoa, hot spam. All right. Keep going. Get that thing in the oven. There, you want some help? You got it? All right, start that. Oh, next. Oh,
Don't put your hand in the oven.
All right. We only got 2 more to go after this. We're gonna see how many we can get done. Oh, she's getting it down. Careful so you don't fall off.
Hope you don't mind fingers all over your spam.
Right.
Let's see how tall you are for the cans. The cans. How many cans taller? San Antonio.
All right.
Yeah.
Start it up. All right. Get ready to hit the stop button as soon as Dad puts this in.
Just put it on the ground. That's what we do. Put it on the top.
All right. Stop.
All right, hit the button.
Whoa. All
Whoa.
right. So Kevlin and Dad made 6 cans.
Again, Daddy.
In the time they made 1,001
Daddy, come on.
at the plant.
Fired.
Let's do it again.
We are not cut out to be spam employees. So there's a spam carousel essentially that goes around the entire museum of all the different flavors of spam. So you can see them going all over the store or all over the museum. But here's how spam is made. For those of you not sure where it came from, Foodie, Vicky, this is for you. All right, so we're gonna see how many spam cans tall are you? So Ainsley is coming in.
20!
Ainsley's coming in at just short of 20 cans, looks like. Let me know what you think. All right, Ainsley, tell us what you think.
I heard it's really good.
It's really good. Babe, what do you think?
heat to it.
I like it.
Usual flavor, that's
All right,
for
so
sure.
this is Kokuchan.
Kokuchan of South Korea.
What'd you think of it?
Spicy?
It's kind of spicy. Kind of spicy and it tastes weird. I like the
Spam
rice.
sample number one.
To it doesn't it?
Let's see how many we can get.
Yeah, I can feel it's still kind of burning in you.
Pretty good. All right, guys, so this tells you about all the different ones. So this is what we just had a sample of, the Spam Tacchini, which was introduced in 2014. And that's the love of the Philippines. It's got that Filipino flavor. So Ainsley said she wants to try this, the hot and spicy. So hot and spicy, introduced in 2000. Maple flavored, which is what I won, got on my trivia, was introduced in 2023. So they are still making new Spam flavors, guys. Hickory smoke for a little egg McMuffin on you, 1971. For the love of Spam, guys. So this is not a lie. These people got married at the Spam Museum. So they obviously love Spam so much. That is what they wanted, and they served Spam. Crazy. Would your wife have gone for a Spam wedding? Mine would.
Look in there.
Alright guys, so we are in the kids play area. They got a table set up. Kevlin has a turkey and some Spam on the grill. She went back in the house to get the rest of her stuff. But this is a cool little space for them to play around. Tonight's episode of Cooking with the Cam Fam. Wait, this isn't Cooking with the Cam Fam. Kevlin is cooking. What you cooking? Keep your hands off that grill, girl. You're gonna burn yourself. So she has all sorts of goodies on the grill. Fired up, including Spam. We got hot and spicy.
Oh, the hot and spicy is hot.
We got teriyaki.
Let me try, Mama.
I just got teriyaki.
That one's hot. You can try this one.
I'll give Natalie if you had one.
The hot and spicy was too hot for you, or what?
It's spicy.
It's
So here.
it's spicy.
I ate the whole thing at once and whew,
Yeah.
you feel the burn.
Yeah.
Mommy, can
So I
you
got
let
some
me the
teriyaki.
chicken? I want to eat the pretzel.
Oh, okay.
I just want...
Natalie eats the pretzels for me.
All right, Ainsley, what do you think?
The hot and spicy one is really good. It is not spicy at all.
It is spicy. It's got a bite.
I only got the teriyaki, but it was
It's
really
good.
good.
It's got a-
so, teriyaki one is so good.
You would definitely have to eat it with something, not by itself, because it has a bite.
The hot and spicy?
But that's good flavor.
Yeah.
The teriyaki is good. Kevlin likes the
So yes,
pretzel
teriyaki
sticks.
was good. Kevlin just eats the pretzels. All right, so Ainsley is currently creating a new Spam creation.
Avocado, eggs,
Oh, some
bread.
She can
Alright.
pick up to 7.
Ooh, Swiss cheese.
With some hot sauce, salt and pepper. You gotta click it.
Pepper.
I think you're out of stuff.
Yeah, I guess it says choose up to 7.
All right, there you go.
Yeah.
All right, that's the end. Kevlin, don't touch. Kevlin, don't touch. All right, so now we're in the process of designing her logo.
Name of food creation.
Alright,
I
what
got
color?
What is she naming this?
I don't know.
Let me name it.
The beast?
The Beast. Just kidding.
Oh, the best.
The best, not the Beast. All right, so we got a black label.
Okay, there we go. There we go.
All right, it's gonna stay black, or are you changing the color?
Mommy.
All right,
So it's called the best. Spam, pepper.
hold on. All right, let's see it. All right, so it has been created.
Oh, now it's on the homepage. Oh, and on her birthday. Oh yeah.
It'll be submitted for rotation. Food product by Ainsley.
The best.
Did you know they make holy avocado?
So those of you who don't like meat, so live, you can still benefit from this because they make wholly diced avocado. So yes, all this stuff apparently is made through them as well. So Hormel. Now Spam fries. Yay or nay? Would you eat Spam fries? I'm giving that a try. That looks pretty good actually.
Thank you for asking. If you have questions today, just let us know.
You're trying to get yourself there, dear. A spam banjo?
Yeah, she was.
Spam Joe.
There you go.
Okay, I don't know if we need a Stanley spam.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. It has Stanley. And it's still a Stanley. It's
Oh
not
my
off.
gosh, that's awesome. So crazy. I bet they charge $50
They
for
have a
it.
wall one. Where?
Get a spam poster.
Italian.
Alright, so Ainsley's working on getting a spam shirt, but Ainsley, show them what kind of spam you're going to buy as well. So guys, this is the Ticino, which is what they send to the Philippines. This is the only place in the United States you can buy this, at the Spam Museum. So Ron, don't be thinking you're going to go out and buy spam to try to do a video. This is
We're the only ones that have it.
we're the only ones. Cam Fam, only ones with Ticino spam.
Guys, I'm gonna try it. I really like this one, but limited edition, you know?
Lilo and Stitch can or teriyaki.
Oh yeah, that's it.
I don't. You can get teriyaki anywhere. I don't know if you can get the limited edition can everywhere.
Well, that's literally just plastic.
But yes, guys, spam, spam, spam.
What do I really keep
You can get singles. The spam puzzle. Alright guys, and we have just added, we're gonna get this to add to our Christmas tree. So it will not be on the Carnival Cruise Christmas tree, it'll be on the family Christmas tree. But we gotta get a spam ornament from being at the Spam Museum. You can get anything with spam. Alright guys, it's breakfast time.
That's the bacon one.
This is bacon. Just had maple pretty good.
The spam bacon is really good.
I like the bacon.
They're pretty good. Tastes like
Spam.
ham. Which is spam.
Did you guys try the bacon spam? That was really
So yeah.
good.
Crazy guys, we're in Minnesota.
Natalie even
The lady at the register as we bought our stuff, she knew somebody from close to us. She's got family. Crazy how you meet small people. Not small people. Small world to know people.